the highest places of the world, courage is not measured by size, but by heart.
Stay close. I've got you. Wow, it's so big! You're my hero, Bo.
Always.
Bo!
Even the smallest hearts can feel trapped, but help often comes from the most loyal of friends.
Bo, I can't get out.
Don't worry, Gigi, I'll get help. Don't move! Hold on! I'm coming back! When danger looms, courage calls for teamwork. From the heart of the storm, heroes appear when courage is needed most. Gigi's trapped on the lower ridge!
Then we answer.
Gigi, hold on!
Thank you, Grok! Stuck!
We'll help!
Push! Grok, I'm stuck!
Hold on, Gigi. I've got you.
Thank you, Grok! Thank you so much, Grok. You were amazing.
Of course, Gigi, we're a great team.
What a friendship! What a fun day!
After the storm, the mountains sparkled like a playground of white magic.
Oh, catch this! Hey, that's not fair!
Like a playground of white magic.
You missed!
Hey, that's not fair! Bo, catch this! Bo, what's that?
Is it treasure?
It's a snow slider!
Sometimes the mountain hides surprises, just waiting to be found. The old wooden sled wasn't just a sled. It was the start of a brand new adventure.
Okay, slow and steady. Whee! Faster! Whoa! Dear what? Whee! Faster! Okay, Bo. This time we go all the way down. We're flying! Whoa, it's like a snow cave.
Adventure doesn't always mean going far. Sometimes it means seeing familiar things in a new way.
Did we land on a marshmallow? Bo, look! Bo, look! A frozen slide! Let's go! Whee! Let's slide, Bo! Again! This is so fun! Whee! This is so fun! Again, Bo! Arf! We love to play in snow. Snow loves us to play. I will make a snowman. Uh-oh. Bo, I'm stuck. Look, Grok came! Look at the snow sparkle!
Earth!
This is the best adventure ever! Let's hope the forest is safe tonight.
Stay close, Grok!
Do you see those eyes?
Shh, stay quiet.
Careful, Gusht!
Hold on, Grok!
Stay close. I think it's just small animals. forest is magical.
The forest seemed alive, whispering secrets among the snow-covered trees.
Travelers of the snowy homeland, you are being watched.
You're so warm. Onward!
Look, the foxes are guiding us.
We are not here to harm you. If you need any help, let us know.
They've started.
Started what? We must cross before it disappears.
Grok, the bridge looks wobbly.
Don't worry, Gigi, I've got this. Just hold on tight.
Woof, let's go!
Every heartbeat echoing in the magical forest. Step by step, they move closer to safety.
We did it! The bridge, amazing! Let's see path, even magical ones that disappear. See? We can face anything, as long as we stick together. Subscribe and join us for our next magical adventure.